Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sufficient level of the transmission fluid is very important for the efficient working of the transmission. Low transmission fluid may lead to the transmission failure. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of low transmission fluid. The primary function of transmission fluid is to lubricate the moving parts within the transmission. This lubrication helps reduce friction and wear between components such as gears, bearings, and shafts, ensuring smooth operation. It also acts as a coolant, dissipating heat generated by friction, and the mechanical operation of the transmission. Symptoms of low transmission fluid. 1. Difficulty shifting gears. When transmission fluid levels are low, there isn't enough hydraulic pressure to engage the gears properly. This lack of pressure can lead to difficulty shifting gears, especially during acceleration or deceleration. 2. Slipping gears. Transmission fluid serves as a lubricant and coolant for the transmission system. When levels are low, the transmission components may not receive adequate lubrication, causing friction and heat buildup. This can lead to the transmission slipping out of gear or shifting erratically. 3. Overheating. Transmission fluid also helps dissipate heat generated by the transmission components during operation. When fluid levels are low, the cooling and lubricating properties are compromised, resulting in increased friction and heat buildup. This can lead to overheating of the transmission, potentially causing damage to internal components. 4. Strange noises. Inadequate lubrication due to low fluid levels can cause increased friction between transmission components. This leads to unusual noises such as whining, clunking, or grinding. These noises indicate potential damage or excessive wear within the transmission system. 5. Check engine light. Some modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor transmission fluid levels and temperature. When fluid levels drop below a certain threshold, or transmission temperature exceeds safe limits due to low fluid levels, it can trigger the check engine light or transmission fluid light on the dashboard. 6. Increased fuel consumption. Inefficient transmission operation due to low fluid levels can lead to increased fuel consumption. When the transmission is not functioning optimally, the engine may have to work harder to compensate for the lack of power transfer efficiency. This may lead to higher fuel consumption. 7. Burning smell. If transmission fluid levels are critically low, the remaining fluid can become overheated due to increased friction and lack of proper lubrication. This overheating can cause the fluid to burn, emitting a distinct burning odor that may be noticeable inside or around the vehicle. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to check your transmission fluid level and condition immediately. If the fluid is low, topping it up with the appropriate type of transmission fluid recommended by your car's manufacturer can help prevent further damage. Thanks for watching the complete video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, ask your question in the comment section.